WhatsApp. We shared Lake Geneva. Lake Geneva is a water body of superlatives, mildest climate, largest lake and lake with the largest amount of water in Central Europe. The Celts called it large water or lemon, and to this day it is called Lac Léman in French. And it certainly is big. Scheduled boats, historic paddle steamers and small ferries ply this 582 square kilometers body of water, breaking records as they go. The Compagnie Générale de Navigation (GGN) on Lake Geneva operates 8 paddle steamers, the largest European fleet of its kind. Shipping on Lake Geneva also breaks records. Regularly scheduled lake boats connect the numerous villages and cities, and small ferries, called mets, carry passengers in Geneva rapidly from one shore of the lake to another. Visitors who want to enjoy a comfortable journey book a special culinary trip or a cruise to notable sites, such as the emblem of the city of Geneva, the Jet d'Eau, an up to 140-meter-high water fountain that is illuminated at night. If you spend time around Chillon Castle and the Montreux promenade, sooner or later you'll be tempted to take a cruise on Haut Lac between Vevey, Montreux, Chillon, Villeneuve, and Le Bouveret. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe to support this channel.
I'm talking about